All right, in this video, I'm going to show you some fun ways to use vellum using the Translucent Floral Bundle, as well as the Delightful Floral Designer Series paper. This is new, available online, and it has all these beautiful watercolory designs that perfectly coordinate with this bundle, so it's so pretty. And so I've used some of the paper, and this is a fresh freesia piece. And so I have a piece of fresh freesia, 4 by 5 1/4. And then this piece is 2 by 5 1/8. So it'll kind of overlap right there. And this one is 2 1/4 by 5 1/8. So this one will have a little border around it. And I did it 2 1/4, so it just overlaps right here. And then I'm going to stamp on vellum. So stamping on vellum is super fun, but a little bit tricky. I'm going to use Fresh Freesia and Parakeet Party, which are colors I chose from the Designer Series paper. And I'm going to stamp this one first in the Fresh Freesia, and you can see that it's a distinctive stamp, and so there's etching and texture on the stamp. And so I've noticed with these stamps, you need to very lightly ink them, otherwise you'll get spots. So very lightly, straight down, straight up when you're stamping on vellum. So let's do one more because we need 2. So straight down, straight up, and I inked it very, very lightly. And so otherwise it would be kind of blotchy. So now I'm going to stamp some of the leaves the same way, just ink very, very lightly. And then we'll do 2 of these. Okay, now you're gonna let this dry for a couple hours because it will stay wet for a while and it will smear. So you wanna go ahead and let that dry. So I've got some that are already dried and cut out and ready to go. So I'm gonna show you how I put this card together. It's super cute. So I'm gonna adhere the white first. And then I'm going to adhere this piece of DSP, but instead of putting the adhesive right next to the edge, I'm going to do it about 1/2 inch away from the edge so that I can tuck in all of my vellum flowers and leaves. So this piece is going to go right to the edge and then right there. And then there's going to be some space here so I can tuck under. And I've decided to use glue dots with the vellum. Adhesive is a little bit tricky with vellum because a lot of the adhesives you can see through. So you can kind of see the glue dot. But lucky for us, we're just going to tuck that in as far as the glue dot is, and then you can't even tell. And then we'll do the same thing with this leaf. Oh, they're a little hard to pick up. Then this last one down here. All right, I have a hot dog fold or tent fold card base, which is 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. I like these cards better when I'm doing a vertical card because they stand up better than doing it the other way. And now I'm going to put dimensionals on the back. We will adhere this to the card. I forgot a step here. I've got this Parakeet Party ribbon, and I'm going to wrap it around that part of the card. And then I'm gonna tie a double bow using my 1 inch bow helper. And if you want to know more about it or how to use it, you can check out my video, How to Tie a Bow. And I show you how to use this and also how to make these in different sizes. So I've already stamped the happy birthday and cut it out with this lovely oval die from the All That dies. It leaves this lovely embossed edge all around. Okay, I've used glue dots to adhere the ribbon to the back of the card. That will be more secure. And then I'm gonna adhere this double bow with the glue dots as well. Lastly, I'm just gonna add some pearls to the card. I love these pretty little pearls. They're in the annual catalog. And there is my Translucent Florals Vellum flower card. Place a $50 order using my current host code and you can get this card kit for just $5 shipping. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Translucent Florals card kit and I would love to send it out to you.